Kids are fans of meal kits. I know, I was one such kid. But now that I'm older, a dietitian, and a mom, I know my kiddo needs a bit more nutrition. Creating kid-approved meal kits is a cinch and provides you with the opportunity to include more nutrients. Begin with protein. Protein goals for 6 to 12-year-olds range from 45 to 90 grams each day. Choose options like lean lunch meat, beans, nuts, and milk products. Add a grain, preferably a whole grain, for children's attention spans. Include food groups children tend to fall short on, like fruits and vegetables. Their color, flavor, and texture helps fill children's stomachs while sustaining energy until snack time. Pack transportable, ready-to-enjoy options like fruit cups, juice, and snacking tomatoes. Don't forget the beverage. Even slight dehydration impacts the ability to focus in class and be engaged during after-school activities. When creating meal kits, prioritize likes. Dunk tortilla chips in protein-forward dips. Opt for less sodium when stacking meat, cheese, and crackers. Rest assured, nut butter and jelly lovers will enjoy whole grain shapes too. Learn more on bigY.com. Until next time, be well.